With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Question is if point a comma square root a lies in region bounded between the circles. This is our first circle and this is our second circle. Then number of integral values of a exceeds. Okay, and there are four options. We have to say which of the following option is correct. So first of all, see, the point is a comma square root a comma square root a. Okay, and a square root accepts only positive value, and a square root accepts non-negative value, which means that a should be greater than equals to 0. The first information. Now next, if you see this circle, this first four terms and this first four terms, these terms are same. So only difference in both circle is the constant, which means that both circle are concentric. And center of both circle I am going to find. Here if you see 2g is equals to 4. 2g is equals to 4. Okay. And also this is equals to 2f. So from here we'll get f is equals to g is equals to 2. Also this will get minus f is equals to minus g is equals to minus 2. And center of both circle will become minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay, no problem. This is our y-axis. Okay, and this is our x-axis. Okay, now I'm going to draw both the circle. Okay, this center minus 2 will lies in third quadrant. This is our point minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, this is our minus 2 and this is our minus 2. Minus 2 on y-axis, minus 2 on x-axis. Okay, now I'm going to find radius of both circles. So first of all, I'm going to find radius of first circle, and radius formula is root under g square plus f square minus c, and g is 2, f is 2, so 2 square is 4 plus 4 and minus 7, and this will become a square root 1, which will be equals to 1. Now I'm going to find second radius, and this will be equals to a square root g square 4 plus 4 minus 1. Okay, this will become plus 1, and this is a square root 9 is equals to 3. So radius of this circle is 3 and radius of this circle is 1, which means that this circle is a smaller one. Okay, now I'm going to draw both the circles. So suppose this is our one circle with radius 1. Okay, and this is our other circle with radius 3. Okay, so let's see whether origin will lie inside this circle or not. Okay, so I'm going to satisfy origin in this equation because this is larger one. So what we'll get? See, 0 square. I'm going to find S1. How to find S1? We put point x coordinate or y coordinate of this point in equation of circle at place of x and y. So at place of x I will put 0 and place of y I will put 0. 0 square plus 0 square plus 4 into 0 which is 0, 4 into 0 which is 0, so and minus 1, this will become minus 1, and which means that S1 is less than 0. And when S1 is negative, it means that this point will lie inside the circle. Okay, so this is our circle with radius 3 and origin inside. Origin is inside. Now here is every concept. See, this point here, what we said, a is greater than equals to 0. So this 0 comma 0 lies between both the circles, and the question is saying region bounded between the circles. So 0, 0. So there is 1 point. Okay. Now next point can be 1, 0 or 0, 1. So let's check it whether 1, 0 and 0, will lie inside the circle or outside the circle. So again I am going to find S1, and this is for 0, 1, and this was for 0, 0. So I'm going to put x0 and y1. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 2 minus 1, which is 1. So S1 is greater than 0 in this case, so outside. Point is lying outside. S1 was negative, so inside. Now again I am going to find for 1, 0. S1. What will get? I will put x1, y0. So x1, y0, x1, y0. Sorry, S1 value was 1 plus 4, 5 minus 1, 4, not 1. That was my mistake. Okay, at place of y, I will put 1. So this will become 4, this will become 1. 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out, this will 4. So S1 now, 1, 0. So x is 1, y is 0. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 1, this will again become 4. And here S1 is greater than 0. So this is outside. If this point is outside, then every point, this 1, 1 will also be outside. So every point of this first quadrant will be outside, and this point lies in first quadrant because A and A, this both is either positive or 0, which means that this point will lie in first quadrant or x-axis or y-axis or origin. So there is only one point lying in between both the circles. So 1 exceeds which number? 1 exceeds 0. So option 1 is correct. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.